हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल लर्न विद मंगलम। और डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कुछ हायरिंग्स के बारे में। सबसे पहले तो आप चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, जिससे आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स मिलते रहेंगे, क्योंकि इस वाले चैनल पे हम ओनली इंपोर्टेंट हायरिंग्स के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं, जिससे आपको रिस्पॉन्स आने के डेफिनेटली चांसेस रहते हैं। ओके, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फ्रॉम जस्ट डायल, दे आर कंडक्टिंग वॉक इन इंटरव्यू। सो बेसिकली जो वॉक इन इंटरव्यू होते हैं उसमें आपको डायरेक्टली मौका मिलता है इंटरव्यू देने का। यहाँ पे 100+ ओपनिंग्स इनके पास होने वाली है इन सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट। सो इस वाले चैनल पे आपके टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट्स भी जुड़े हुए हैं, नॉन टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट्स भी जुड़े हुए हैं। सो इफ यू आर interested in sales department and you are eligible to apply in this hiring opportunity, and interview mode will be offline, and this is for Noida and Bangalore office. Okay, interview date would be 27th of September and 28th of September. So basically tomorrow or day after tomorrow you are going to like give the interview. So basically, first of all, what you have to do, you have to fill this application form. Here you have to fill the details like email ID, name, graduation, college name, phone number, etc. You have to fill. Okay, whatever degree you have done, like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA, BBA, MBA, BE, whatever you have done, you can just put the details. You can put your highest qualification, you can submit your resume and submit the application. Okay, so guys, you can apply in this hiring opportunity you are interested. Next hiring opportunity from Deloitte. Okay, so Deloitte is currently hiring for associate analyst for Hyderabad locations. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the criteria for this hiring opportunity. What is the criteria for this hiring opportunity? Commerce degree graduate is it is the requirement. Okay, for qualification, if you have commerce graduate, then you can definitely apply. Excellent customer service skills you should have, communication skills you should have. Okay, and professional image of ESS. ESS. Okay, so if you have relevant skills, then you can definitely apply. You are going to work as an associate analyst in this hiring opportunity, and you should have 0 to 6 months of experience. This is not for experience, this is for fresher. Okay, processing management engagement you should have some knowledge in SAP also. Quality, risk and security guidelines, if you have knowledge, then it will be added advantage. So in Deloitte also you can apply. So two hiring opportunity we have discussed about for non-technical. If you are interested in sales, you can apply. If you are interested, if you have a commerce degree, then you can apply in Deloitte. Okay, now we will talk about the next hiring opportunity from Celonis. So Celonis is currently hiring for associate service consultant graduate program hire. Okay, this is also very interesting opportunity, and you can get some response from them. Okay, so program, basically you can see what is the qualification you need. Okay, you have a degree level in the field of business information, computer science, information oriented business administration, economics. Multiple degree students can apply. If you are from computer science, engineering or business domain, then you can definitely apply in this hiring opportunity. If you have internship experience or degree, then you can definitely apply in this hiring opportunity. What do you have to do? You have to just fill this application form. You can submit your application as a associate consultant. You are going to work over here, associate service consultant, as a graduate program. Okay, so you can apply. Now this is a technical opportunity from Microsoft. Microsoft has announced they are hiring that product design intern opportunity, and this is very recent opportunity. You can apply. Application is open. Required qualification: currently pursuing a degree design, visual communication, interaction design, user experience design. Okay, so if you have relevant knowledge or experience or skills, then you can definitely apply as a product design intern. You are going to apply in Microsoft also. Next hiring opportunity from GEP INC we can see also. Gap INC we can see also. Staff software engineer. This is pure technical opportunity. This is old opportunity, but application is still open. Then you can definitely apply. Who you are, like what skills you should have: software development experience, knowledge of software delivery life cycle, security compliance, and agile scrum methodology you should have. So basically total, as a software engineer, what skills required, like scrum and agile methodology, software development life cycle, programming, Java, Oracle, Azure, whatever they have mentioned, you should have. Okay, so basically benefit also you can see. If you want to apply in this hiring opportunity, you can apply. Now next hiring opportunity from Oracle. Oracle currently hiring for software developer one, and they are hiring for a Hyderabad location, and due to 2 years of experience required over it, means up to 2 years of experience and product development you are going to work. Okay, so job category will be product development. You can see BTech, BME, MTech, MC in computer science and information technology equivalent experience can apply. Students can apply if you have relevant knowledge. Java development knowledge you should have. Java EE will be an asset. Linux knowledge you should have. Okay, so total programming skills and total technical skills if you have, an like you have, then you can apply in Oracle also. So guys, in this video I have discussed about multiple hiring opportunity for freshers and for technical as well as non-technical students. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.